Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you guys about Apple and Apple Pay. I saw a video by Kathy Woods that was pretty interesting. She talked about how mobile users are increasing, mobile pay users is increasing significantly. And so I did my own little research and I found some information out there that I thought was pretty interesting. It's from Statistica, I believe. That's the website. And it's the number of proximity mobile payment users in the United States in 2018 and 2019 with forecasts from 2020 to 2023. And wow, if you I'm gonna post this up here so you guys can see. But you see in 2018 it was 58% or 58 million, sorry. Then in 2019 it was 64 million. Then the projections for 2020 is 69, 2021 74. 22 is 77, and then 2023 is 80 million. So you can see this huge increase in mobile payment users in the next few years, which I think is very critical. I think that's something to keep an eye on. And it's one of the reasons why I invest in Apple, and I'm going to continue to invest in Apple. Not only do I love their products currently, but what they're going to do in the future is amazing. And they're well positioned with their Apple Pay. And as you can see here, there's a little snippet when it comes to Apple as well. There's a share of US users who have accessed Apple Pay to pay at checkout in the past 30 months, 40%, that's huge.
That's what she said.
And then you see here share of US SMB owners accepting Apple Pay and digital wallet app payments is 12%. And then share of US retailers who accept Apple Pay is 50%. And so I thought it was pretty neat because here locally at the gas stations, I've noticed there's these new setups on the gas stations for Apple Pay specifically. And that's through all the different gas stations that I've been to in this large chain where I'm from. And I thought that was pretty interesting that they're setting that up to allow Apple Pay to be accepted. So I see this trend happening. Now, I personally don't use Apple Pay, which is pretty interesting, but I'm definitely looking into it. And especially if a lot more retailers are starting to accept it, that's gonna really change the game. And not only from a brick and mortar standpoint, but also online. A lot of the major online retailers are accepting Apple Pay, and not just Apple Pay, other type of mobile payment wallets are being accepted, which is good. Competition usually is good because it brings more customers just into that segment, which then they can decide which one's the better product, which I believe Apple is well positioned to just continue to make improvements to their Apple Pay and their Apple Wallet. Now, not only is that important, I think that was pretty cool to kind of touch base or to touch on the significance of Apple in the future, but some of the other things that they've got in mind that they're rolling out in the next few years is pretty awesome as well. So that's it. I'm bullish on Apple, and just one other thing that I thought was pretty interesting that was going to keep me bullish on Apple for the next few years. I'm looking forward to another stock split, which I think will happen in the next few years. I know a lot of people are like, okay, Apple's already overpriced. Apple's already had several stock splits. You know, there's other companies out there with better potential that can grow. There's better potential for growth, better returns. And I agree, there probably is. But from my standpoint, where I think Apple is going to be, I still think Apple is a good investment for the long term. I plan to hold Apple stock for the next 5-10 years. And I think they'll continue to do good in the stock market. So that's all I have. Hopefully you found this informative. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.